Welcome to SnapDishRecipes. Today, we're making delicious chicken fried rice. Here are all the fresh ingredients you'll need. Chop your chicken, onions, and garlic. Cover and cook the chicken, and let it steam until tender and fully cooked. Fry the chicken until lightly golden. Add onions and garlic and fry until fragrant. Add your vegetables. Scramble the eggs. Add your cooked rice. Pour in soy sauce for rich flavor. Mix everything well. And your delicious chicken fried rice is ready. Thank you for watching.